So with a zero tolerance, no false start rule back on the agenda, with condemnations coming from far and wide, I want to posit a maverick idea this evening, one that in principle must be accepted. Athletics is a single sport segmented into two categories. You have track events and you have field events. Now this ridiculous no false start rule only applies to the track events within the single sport of athletics. So if we're talking natural justice, fairness and equality, not across different sports, but equality and fairness within the same sport, then in principle, the high jumper, instead of getting 3 attempts per height, that high jumper should only get 1 chance. If he or she falls on the first jump, then out of the competition. Same for the long jumper. No more 3, and then 3 up to 9 jumps. But if him fall on the first jump, you're disqualified. Same like the 100-meter sprinter. And the same applies to all field events. Shot put, discus, javelin, pole vault, hammer throw. No more multiple chances. 1 strike and you're out. Just like the 200-meter sprinter. It is absolutely wrong to have different rules being applied within the same sport. That for the little children watching sports commentary is something that big people practice. That is called hypocrisy and double standard. What is it called? Hypocrisy and double standard. Say it again. Hypocrisy. All right. School is dismissed. School is dismissed. School is dismissed.